Do you want to go get bourbon after we have this?
We can do that if you want. Totally up to you.
I don't really care. I don't really know why I even said that. So if you are fortunate enough to receive an unexpected large transfer of wealth, what do? That's the question, right?
Yes.
I think the first thing you do is you take your time. There's no reason to do anything immediately. Take your time. You try to educate yourself about the different options available to you. You try to find some advisors that you can trust and who are competent to help you with the financial planning of that capital that you've received, the investment management of that capital that you received. You might want to have some accounting and legal advice in terms of structuring how the capital is held. And but I think the first thing is there's no rush to do anything. Money can sit there burning a hole for a while, and you can take your time to educate yourself and so that you can make informed decisions both about retaining advisors and ask them educated questions, because you're going to want to find some advisors who, we all know that it's been proven time and time again that a historic track record has no real bearing on what the future will hold. But so if that's not to be relied upon, I think what you can do is you can meet portfolio managers and try to understand how it is that they approach investing, and if that approach resonates with you, then maybe you've found somebody that you can align yourself with for the future. My portfolio management approach is dealing in the physical world. So we're value investors, and we focus on the underlying assets and cash flows of businesses and try and measure those and only get involved when we can buy those at a big discount to what we think they're worth. Others might have a more technical approach to investing, or maybe take a more global macro view of the different forces at work in the world, and still others might have some kind of mathematical approach to investing. So I think, in my experience, you end up aligning yourself, as a portfolio manager, you end up aligning yourself with those customers for whom your approach, your thinking, and your personality are a good match. And this makes for a much better relationship.